Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did these beautiful French tip nails. They come in about 3 shades of blue, as you guys can see. I really like them. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, that way you're notified each time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends. For my day ones, I love you guys. So today is about looking bougie on a budget. Like, I don't care paying for convenience, but there's some days I just want to look bougie on a budget, okay? Like, I'll pay an amount to get these nails done, like at the nail salon, but this time I was like, you know what? We're gonna look bougie on a budget. Bougie on a budget. Bougie on a budget. You don't have to break bank to look good, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's get into this video. We woke up flawless, post up. Okay. I just realized we actually don't talk about it enough, how acrylic nails can actually damage your real nails in the long run. Like, I'm always doing nails back to back. I never miss an appointment. And I've noticed like my nails have been thinning out, which is something that has caused me to be very concerned. So I was like, you know what, let me go back to my press-on nails. So right now I'm just like filing my nails and make sure they're, you know, short enough, but I don't want them very short at the same time, because that way you want the nail to have enough surface area to stick to. And after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. So now that I'm done filing my nails, I'm gonna go in with this alcohol and the cotton pad to just remove the excess oils and moisture that might have remained on my hands. And this is also gonna ensure that any residue that remained from filing the nail is removed. You wanna make sure you clean your nails really good, that way you don't have any residue. This is gonna ensure that the fake nail that you're applying to your real nail adheres very well. If you have residue, it's not gonna stick well, and it's gonna create the air pockets that make the nail to actually pop off really fast. Then now I'm going in with a cuticle pusher to just push my cuticles back. This is gonna give the illusion like the fake nail is coming from my cuticles, you know what I mean, to kind of give it a more natural look. So the glue that I'm using for this nail application is the Kiss glue, and this glue has a pink tint to it that I really like, and that makes it perfect for applying French tip nails. You can use any glue that you want, so long it sticks really well. So picking the right nails is also important. You want to get a nail that fits just right, a nail that's not too big and a nail that's not too small, and a nail that doesn't leave too much space on the side. I know that sounds like a lot, but try to get the best fitting nail. That way the nail lasts longer, and when the water gets in contact with your nails, it doesn't really seep through. So right now what I'm doing is just like filing my nails inside a little bit, and I would say that I was going left to right, kind of like side to side, instead of up and down. I observed that when you do up and down, sometimes nails like the French tip can actually have scratches that appear on the outside. So instead I do side to side. That gives it like softer scratches that don't really show outside the nail. All the prep is done. Now it's time to apply the nails. So if you're wondering how much glue I was using about 2 to 3 coats of glue, 1 coat on the fake nail and 2 coats on my real nail. So you want to make sure when you're putting the nail, you just kind of slightly position it to kind of make sure that's the right direction your nail should be facing, because you don't want your nail to be facing the other side when it's supposed to be straight. So don't stick it first, just stick it slightly to kind of see, that's the position that I want. Then make sure you press the top and the front at the same time as I am demonstrating in the video, and I would hold that for about 30 to 40 seconds to make sure the nail is stuck. Okay, it's not going anywhere. I'm so in love with these nails, guys. Like, these nails are just giving I'm the rich lady vibes. I smell of money vibes. I'm here to step on next, honey, and I'm here to secure the bag. Like, these nails are the truth. So right now I'm just filing off the tags that the nails come with at the front, and I'm also gonna file them a little bit, just following the shape that they came with, because no matter how expensive or how cheap your nails are, like, they're gonna have that box look, you know. So you want to make sure you file them a little bit at the front, that way you get a salon look. Then I'm also going to apply a top coat to just give them like that nice shine to them.
ti